would like to thank the LT team for giving me a chance to present here, for giving me a chance to give my parichay. I am architect Gargi Chatti Pillai. I am creative head and principal architect at Satwam Solutions. We founded this company before 5 years in 2019. Before that, in 2019, we founded Satwam Solutions. This is my parivar. In the center, I am Gargi. On the left, you can see she's my daughter. She's 2 years old. On the right, he's Jaikrishnan Pillai. He's my husband. He's also architect and urban planner and working with me at Satwam. On the top left, you can see she's my mother, Ashwini Chatti. She's a homemaker. On the right top, you can see he's my father, Satish Chatti. He's working as Central India sales head at Merrill Life Sciences. On the left bottom, she is Vasanti Pillai. She is my mother-in-law. She is a retired Government of India employee. My father-in-law, Achyutan Pillai, he is also a retired employee of GOI. And my brother, Gaurang, he is a big support system of mine and he is my twin. Next. I was born on 14th June 1990 in Nagpur. So I'm 33 years old now. And my hobbies are drawing, sketching, painting. I believe and I practice Ashtanga Yoga. And I also like traveling a lot. Activities I am involved in motivational talks. I like to listen rather than giving. Architecture and design. I like to understand human psychology. I am a strong believer in Karma Yoga and best at firefighting. Firefighting in the sense, मुझे आग बुझाना, आग लगाने से ज़्यादा पसंद है. I am a big no for gossip. And if there is anyone who is coming to me for any gossip, I ask them to do a big about turn. So I am a very strong believer in firefighting. तो घर पे कोई भी family, friends, कुछ भी होता है तो मेरे पास आते हैं. Professional information, I graduated in 2013. It is 10 years back from Priyadarshini Institute in Nagpur. After that, I worked with AB Dongre Architects for 2 years, and then I did partnership with 2 of my seniors in Krupa for 3 years. And after that, I started my own company. We deal into architecture, interior design and planning works. For 8 years, we have been practicing. Our skills are innovation in design, optimization in cost of project, and efficient and transparent work process. Also, we believe in time-bound deliverables. If the project can be completed in time, then it is beneficial for the client as well as for us. I am a member at Indian Institute of Architects, Janardhan Swami Yogadhyasi Mandal and Brahman Udyog Brahmanag. 2 communities I am a member is Nair Service Society, that is from my husband's side. He is a Malayali, and me being a Maharashtrian. Our goals are professional goals to make Satwam Solutions a multi-crore turnover company within next 3 years, to work in government architecture and planning project from this financial year, which we are on to expand our services in other parts of Central India. We are doing one resort project in Pench right now to make all our architectural projects as environmentally friendly as possible. You can come and visit our house and office. We have created a grey water recycling system in an individual house, जो अभी तक किसी ने किया नहीं है नागपुर में. Next. We were facilitated by Health Minister of Maharashtra and Guardian Minister in recognition of our work in Government Medical College. We made Operation Theatre Auditorium there. It was back in 2017. We were part of Nagpur Smart City Project Area-Based Development Component in Pardi. I have achieved Diploma in Ashtanga Yoga for practicing and preaching yoga. Our happy and satisfied customers will always be the most award for us, biggest award for us. Best and future customers would be builders from in and around Nagpur, new flat owners around Mihan and other townships in Nagpur, educationalists, doctors, businessmen, industrialists, and any person who want to develop or redesign his house. Anyone who wants to develop a land or building, anyone who is planning a renovation or development of a project, anyone who wants to make a complete makeover of the space, anyone who wants to develop a garden or terrace, we can do it all. Our happy customers are GMC College, GMC Hospital, HCP. It's a very big company in Ahmedabad. It's an international architectural company. We were working with them. Vincent Renewables, SAR Digital Films, and many more residential owners. I had worked for Mrs. Shreya Nath, so this is her review for me. You can visit us on Google. You will see all the stars are 5 rated, and all the reviews are positive. She is one of my friends for whom I had worked. These are a few glimpses of our work. This is a project which we had done. This is a SketchUp view, and in the next you can see this is the actual view of the project. It is a 4,000 square feet villa in French Colony. This is one of a very small project. It was 7 lakhs project of interior design of 2 BHK residence. So it is not like that we do not work for small scale. We work from small scale to big scale. For any type of cost we can work. This is a project we had just completed. It is a design and build project where we only designed and we only build in the span of 10.5 months. So we just completed it. This is one more project of a residence where we are inculcating sustainable architecture. So we are inspiring you people for a better living through architecture. Thank you.